Hey everyone, and welcome back to Divi Perfect. In today's Divi short, I thought we would discuss how to vertically align your modules and sections within your Divi builder. So first things first, you're going to need to head over to your theme customizer. This can be found by hovering over your website title and clicking on theme customizer. You then want to head over to your additional CSS section on your website and copy and paste the following code below. From there, you can click on Publish and close the theme customizer. Then what I'd like you to do is head over to your visual editor. You can click on the Enable Visual Builder at the top here. First things first, I'd like you to head over to your section settings, click on the Advanced tab, CSS ID and classes, and then paste the class in. Now this is going to align it to the middle again. Now in order for this column to align to your second column, you want to go to Design, Sizing, Equalize Column Heights, and then you want to click on Content to go back to your first column. This is the one we want to align. You're going to go to Advanced, CSS ID and classes, and then paste in the class name. And once that is done, you can then save your page, and I'll see you in the next video.